What if I told you your brain has a learn faster button and you've been pressing it since you were a kid without even knowing it? It's not motivation. It's not willpower. It's curiosity. In 2014, scientists at the University of California found that when you're curious, your brain lights up like it's winning a reward. That means curiosity isn't just a feeling. It's a chemical reaction that makes learning easier, faster, and way more fun. But here's the strange part. If curiosity makes learning so powerful, why do most of us lose it as we grow up? In this video, we'll explore how curiosity literally changes your brain, why it improves memory, and how you can use it to study or learn anything better. You'll see what happens inside your brain when you're truly interested in something. And I'll share a few simple ways to turn boring topics into curiosity-fueled ones. Think about a time you fell into a YouTube rabbit hole. Maybe you watched one video about black holes and suddenly it's 3 a.m. and you know the entire history of the universe. That's curiosity in action. In a study published in Neuron, Dr. Matthias Gruber asked people trivia questions, like what animal has the largest brain? While they waited for the answer, brain scans showed a burst of activity in two areas, the reward center and the hippocampus, which controls memory. The moment curiosity kicked in, the brain acted like it was being rewarded for learning. People didn't just remember the answer, they remembered everything they learned right after, even unrelated stuff. Curiosity didn't just help them learn, it made their brain more open to all learning. But why does curiosity feel so good? Neuroscientist Dr. Celeste Kidd explains that curiosity works like hunger. When you sense there's something you don't know, a tiny information gap, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes you crave your favorite food. Too big a gap? You give up. Too small? You're bored. But just the right amount, and your brain locks in. That's why cliffhanger endings in shows keep you watching, or why detective stories feel impossible to stop. Your brain wants to close the loop. Learning works the same way. Curiosity is your brain saying, hey, I need to finish this puzzle. Here's where it gets practical. Example 1. You're studying history and it feels boring. Don't start with the dates. Start with a question like, how did a small group of soldiers defeat an entire empire? That single question hooks your brain. It wants the answer now. Example 2. Learning math. Instead of memorizing formulas, ask, what problem was this formula trying to solve in real life? That context turns a random equation into a story your brain cares about. Every time you follow your curiosity, your brain strengthens the connection between dopamine, motivation, and memory, learning. You start craving new knowledge instead of avoiding it. Scientists call this the curiosity loop. Learn, wonder, reward, repeat. So if you want to learn faster, stop forcing yourself to remember things you don't care about. Start asking better questions. Curiosity isn't childish, and it's the most powerful learning system your brain has. Every why or how you chase is a spark that reshapes your brain's wiring. So stay curious, because every question you ask is literally training your brain to learn better.